Hello, it's Nerfcraft, and in this video I'm doing my next budget gaming PC build. So I have here an Optiplex 390. I managed to pick up 3 of these for about $113, so that works out to about less than $40 a computer. So this has the i5-2400 and 4 gigs of RAM in it. I have another 4 gigabyte stick of RAM right here. This is actually from one of the other Optiplexes. I have more RAM on the way, more DDR3 on the way. So all of the builds will end up with 8 gigabytes, but for now I'm just doing this one, so I don't need to worry about it. I picked up this Hitachi drive on Facebook Marketplace, and I got this for about 20 bucks. I actually got 3 of them, so I have one for my next build, and then the other 1 terabyte went in my computer. I have a $20 boot SSD and a $20 CX450 power supply. And the last part here is, for the first time ever, I'm using a DIY PC case. I'm using the BG01, and I already took a look inside this case, and I'm extremely excited to build in it because it looks really, really cool inside, and I think it'll be really easy to build in. And yes, as you can see, that's 2 boxes, because I actually bought 2 of these cases. Alright, so enough fooling around. Let's get this thing put together.